But at this point, you have to stop sending one view there. Because you're sending those one views, those contents, those sexy pictures, videos, in an effort to entertain your person. You know what is happening though in some cases, not all. In some cases, your content is being repurposed and being posted to these WhatsApp groups, these Telegram channels, and these websites. It's out of your hand. The most you can do is report it and hopefully it gets taken down. But by then it has been downloaded into up to 1 million persons' phones. I am not saying not to do it anymore because honestly I love to receive it. But sadly, a lot of persons are not like me. I'm the type of person where after a few months, I have a secure folder on my phone, and after a few months, I clear that secure folder. And I delete and delete. But some persons are not like that. Some persons are not mature enough to think like that. Some persons are just simply careless. Sometimes the person who is sharing these contents is not even the person you sent it to. It could be their wife, it could be their husband. It could be someone they're seeing on the side that wants to be more. It could be negligence. Do you want to take that risk? Do you want to take the risk of your private content being shared for the pleasure of others, strangers? No? Then reconsider before sending that video. Reconsider before sending that picture. If you're going to send something, as someone I know said, send something that you don't mind being posted. Because what is happening, some of them people, some of them waste man and waste woman, they are taking your content that you send on one view and using a secondary phone to record what you send them and then repurpose it. And as I said, it's not always out of malicious intent. Sometimes it's carelessness, sometimes it's a third party who is sharing these contents. Sometimes they get hacked. But do you want to take that risk? Do you? I don't think so. And for those who are receiving, like myself, please be cautious. Ensure that you are not putting someone at risk of losing their job, their livelihood rather. Some persons are even taking a step further and taking their own lives because of shame and disgrace. You have responsibility as the one who is receiving to ensure that this content that you're receiving is being secured properly. If you have no reason to keep it, especially if it's a one view though, if you get a one view, you should not be recording it on a second phone. That's for sure. If you get a one view, no one else should be seeing it unless it was explicitly agreed upon. If something is sent to you and you store it, after a while, delete it. It's not worth keeping it for too long. Ensure that if you're with someone, you're not unintentionally exposing someone else. The gist of it, be careful before sending and receiving X-rated content. And if you really care about this person, you will ensure that you are taking the extreme measures and ensuring this content does not fall into the wrong hands and you yourself are not reposting it. Because that's a waste man move. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. I want to hear from you.